Hello, my dear friends. This is Bandi Srinivasulu from My Physical Science Guru. In this video, we are going to have a glance on chemical effects of electric current, especially salt solution conduct electricity. Salt solution conduct electricity. You see here, this is a circuit in which there is a switch and a bulb and a battery, and the solution is salt solution. You observe. So whenever you see, when the two electrodes or crocodile pins are placed in the salt solution, the bulb is glowing, and in addition to that, the electrolysis process can be observed. So inside the glass containing salt solution, this is a wonderful experiment that liquids conduct electricity having salt solution. This glass of water having salt, that is salt solution, conduct electricity. It contains ions, therefore it conducts electricity.